Hello students, our third chapter of biology is Kingdom Plantae. Introduction is already seen in second chapter. तरी आपण थोडा एकदा इंट्रोडक्शन बघून घेऊ. Members of this kingdom are multicellular, having eukaryotic cells containing chlorophyll. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. This type of plants exhibit alternation of generation, that is, life cycle has two distinct phases. Kingdom Plantae is divided into two major groups. Dividation हे आपण बघणारच आहोत. Now the Kingdom Plantae is further classified. आता ते कशाच्या बेसिसवर क्लासिफाईड होतं ते आपण बघू. On the basis of characteristics like absence or presence of seeds, vascular tissues, differentiation of plant body, etc. Kingdom Plantae is divided into two major groups. First is phanerogams and second is cryptogams, in which phanerogams are also known as seed producing plants. They produce special reproductive structures that are visible. Second is cryptogams. They are spore producing plants and do not produce seeds and flowers. They reproduce sexually by gametes, but sex organs are concealed. Kingdom Plantaeचा क्लासिफिकेशनचा चार्ट आहे. याच्यात आपल्याला क्लासिफिकेशन चांगल्या पद्धतीने समजेल. आता किंगडम प्लांटे हे मेजर टू टाइप्स आहेत त्याचे, क्रिप्टोगॅम्स अँड फॅनोरोगॅम्स. आता क्रिप्टोगॅम्सचे पर टाइप्स पडतात नॉन व्हॅस्क्युलर प्लांट्स आणि व्हॅस्क्युलर प्लांट्स. नॉन व्हॅस्क्युलर प्लांट्स आर अगेन डिवायडेड इंटू टू टाइप्स, थॅलोफायटा अँड ब्रिटोफायटा. And here vascular plants are divided into one type, Pteridophyta. Next is phanerogams. Phanerogams divided into vascular plants, and vascular plants again divided into two types, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Angiospermsचा आपल्याला अभ्यास नाही करायचा आहे, तो पोर्शनमधनं डिलीट झाला आहे. एंजिओस्पर्म हा also divided into two types. एंजिओस्पर्म हा आपला सिलेबसमध्ये नाही आहे. नेक्स्ट इज सॅलियंट फीचर्स ऑफ मेजर प्लांट ग्रुप अंडर क्रिप्टोगॅम्स. क्रिप्टोगॅम्स divided into non-vascular plants and non-vascular again divided into thallophyta and bryophyta, in which first is thallophyta. Now the members of thallophyta are mostly aquatic. Few grow on other plants as epiphytes. Some grow symbiotically and epizoic. What is meant by epizoic? That is growing or living non-parasitically on the exterior of living organism, means दुसऱ्यावर ग्रो होण्यासाठी अवलंबून राहणं. Aquatic algae grow in marine or fresh water. Most of them are free living while some are symbiotic. What is meant by symbiotic? Organism which living together. आता याला थॅलोफायटा का म्हणतात, तर ती प्लांटची जी बॉडी आहे ती थायलॉइड असते, म्हणून त्याला थॅलोफायटा असं म्हणतात. आता प्लांट बॉडी इज थायलॉइड. थायलॉइड मीन्स कन्सिस्टिंग, दॅट इज अनडिफरन्शिएटेड इंटू root, stem and leaves. They may be small, unicellular, microscopic like chlorella. They can be multicellular, unbranched, filamentous like Spirogyra. A huge microscopic seaweed which measures more than 60 meters in length is also an alga. The algal cell wall contains polysaccharides like cellulose, glucose or a variety of protein or both. Cell wall जी असते त्यात पॉलिसॅकराइड्स असतात. कशाच्या फॉर्ममध्ये? सेल्युलोज, ग्लुकोज किंवा व्हरायटी ऑफ प्रोटीन्स किंवा दोघंही असू शकतात. रिझर्व फूड इज इन दी फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च. आता ते रिझर्व फूड म्हणजे जे स्टोअर केलेलं फूड असतं ते कशाच्या फॉर्ममध्ये ते स्टोअर करतात? स्टार्चच्या फॉर्ममध्ये ते स्टोअर करतात. रिप्रोडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस बाय दी व्हेजिटेटिव्ह, असेक्शुअल और सेक्शुअल वे. Next is life cycle shows phenomenon of alternation of generation. Dominant haploid and reduced diploid phases. Algae are also classified as per its pigments like chlorophyll, xanthophylls and phycobilins. In Thylophyta, first is Chlorophyceae, which is also known as green algae. These are mostly fresh water and few are brackish water and marine. Here brackish water means की असं वॉटर की जे पूर्ण खारटही पाणी नाही, समुद्राचंही पाणी नाही आणि पूर्ण गोडही पाणी नाही, मीडियम पाणी, त्याला ब्रॅकिश वॉटर असं म्हणतात. प्लांट बॉडी इज युनिसेल्युलर, colonial, filamentous. Cell wall contains cellulose. Here chloroplasts are of various shapes like discoid, plate-like, reticulate, cup shape, ribbon shape or spiral with chlorophyll A and B. Here chloroplast having chlorophyll A and B, and the food is stored in the form of starch. त्याचं एक्झाम्पल द्यायचं म्हटलं तर क्लॅमॅडोमोनस. हे तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन विचारला जाऊ शकतो एक्झामला डायग्रामवर. In which figure having chloroplast, nucleus, mitochondria, which is synthesize amino acid, pyrenoids. Now pyrenoids are located on chloroplast. Members are rich in protein. Pyrenoids हे प्रोटीन रिच असतं. सो यूज ॲज अ फूड, म्हणून त्याचा फूड म्हणून वापर करता येतो. यूज इवन बाय स्पेस ट्रॅव्हलर. नेक्स्ट थायलोफायटा इज Phaeophyceae, which is also known as brown algae. These are mostly marine and rarely seen in fresh water. Simple branch and filamentous. Cell wall has cellulose, fucus and algin. Photosynthetic pigments like chlorophyll A, C and fucoxanthin are present. Mannitol, laminarin and starch are stored food materials. Mannitol, laminarin and starch हे food material store करतात. Body is usually differentiated into holdfast stalk called stipe and leaf-like photosynthetic organs called frond. Many species of marine algae are used as food. त्यातलं काही स्पेसिस आहे मराईन अल्गीच्या, त्या फूड म्हणून पण वापर केला जातो आणि काहींचा वापर हा प्रोडक्शन ऑफ हायड्रोकोलाइड्स म्हणून सुद्धा त्याचा वापर केला जातो. इन फिगर लॅमिनारिया अँड सर्गासम आर युज्ड ॲज अ फूड अँड फकस इज युज्ड ॲज अ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ हायड्रोकोलाइड्स. Next of Thylophyta is Rhodophyceae, which is also known as red algae. These are found in all in water, that is marine as well as fresh water, on the surface, deep sea and brackish water. Plant body is thalloid and cells contain chlorophyll A, D and phycoerythrin. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectin glued with other carbohydrates. Food is stored in the form of floridine starch. Commercially important agar-agar, which is used as solidifying agent in tissue culture medium, is obtained from red algae. पुढे जर तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिकलच्या वेळेस अगार-अगार बनवावं लागतं, आपल्याला एजंट बनवावा लागतो, अगार-अगार एजंट, तो रेड अल्गीपासून बनवला जातो. In pictures, Batrachospermum, Gracilaria, Polysiphonia, these are the example of Rhodophyceae. In today's lecture, we see the introduction of kingdom Plantae, classification of kingdom Plantae, and Thallophyta. Salient features of Thallophyta, in which first is Chlorophyceae, which is mostly found in fresh water. Phaeophyceae, which is mostly found in marine. And Rhodophyceae, which is found in all over water, fresh water, marine water, brackish water. Today's lecture is over here. Remaining points we will see in next lecture. Thank you.